What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sat coming to you with today's stock pick, indicator help, and general investment tips. Remember, this channel is all about no face, just facts in 5. I do the research so you don't have to. Today we're talking about Robinhood, ticker symbol HOOD. And this may be one of the easiest investment stories in the market right now because millions of people already use Robinhood every single day. But what if the app you're investing on is actually the stock you should be investing in? Let's break it down. Looking at the 1-year chart, Robinhood has quietly become one of the strongest fintech stocks on the market. The stock is up nearly 50% over the past year and is now approaching a critical psychological level around $100 per share. What's interesting is how it got here. After peaking near $145, HOD experienced a significant correction and eventually found support in the upper $70 range. Since then, buyers have steadily returned, pushing the stock back above its 200-day moving average and reigniting bullish momentum. For technical traders, reclaiming the 200-day moving average is a big deal. It's often viewed as a sign that institutions are accumulating shares and that the longer-term trend may be shifting higher. The indicators support that idea. The RSI currently sits around 69. That's strong momentum without being excessively overbought. In many of the market's best-performing stocks, RSI can stay elevated for extended periods while price continues moving higher. The MACD is also bullish. We've recently seen a positive crossover, and the histogram continues expanding, suggesting momentum remains on the side of the buyers. Volume is another encouraging signal. As Robinhood pushed through recent resistance levels, trading volume increased noticeably. That's exactly what you want to see, because strong volume helps confirm the legitimacy of a breakout. Now let's talk about the company itself. Many investors still think Robinhood is simply a stock trading app. That's no longer true. Robinhood has evolved into a broader financial platform offering stock trading, options, crypto, retirement accounts, cash management services, and premium subscription products. The company is creating multiple revenue streams rather than relying solely on trading activity. One of the biggest advantages Robinhood has is brand recognition. When younger investors decide to start investing, Robinhood is often one of the first platforms they consider. Whether you're buying stocks, ETFs, options, or crypto, Robinhood remains one of the most recognizable names in retail investing. That creates a powerful competitive advantage. Another major tailwind is interest income. Robinhood earns money on customer cash balances sitting on the platform. As customer assets grow, so does that revenue stream. The company is also benefiting from renewed enthusiasm around crypto and retail investing. Both trends tend to increase activity on the platform and support revenue growth. But no stock is without risks. Competition remains intense. Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Webull, and several other platforms continue fighting for market share. Robinhood is also dependent on investor activity. If trading volume slows dramatically, revenue growth could slow as well. Finally, the stock is approaching a major resistance zone between $95 and $100. If buyers fail to break through that level, we could see a pullback towards support around $85. So what's my verdict? I think Robinhood remains one of the most interesting fintech growth stories available today. The technical setup is bullish, the business continues expanding, and management is successfully transforming the company into a complete financial ecosystem. Would I chase the stock after a huge move? Probably not. But if you're looking for exposure to the future of retail investing, Robinhood deserves a spot on your watch list. Because at the end of the day, the app you already invest on might just be the stock you should be investing in. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy who loves stocks and helping people win at this stock game. Do your own research, manage your own risk, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below of some stocks you'd like to see. This is Sat from Stocks by Sat 06, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.